All right, here's the Dyson V6 Powerhead. How exciting, look at that. I think that's gonna work. I ran the wires at the bottom last night and that lasted about 15 minutes. So this was a fail. I put a hole on top of this piece and these are the original motor wires that were here. I was able to take this part off, connect them down there. I'll tell you one thing, getting this little sleeve back on here with no clearance in there because it's not made for having wires. The clearances on these Dysons is tight. Anyway, this is a fix for the Powerhead. This is the animal Powerhead, animal pickup for the V6. Really hard to find. This thing is like $150 new if you could even get it. So, and a new vac is like $450, $550, $600. Anyway, I think this will cut the mustard. So it's a win. Gonna give it to the executive who does the cleaning and see how it works out. See if that can be killed off or not. I don't think it'll die this time. I think it's gonna work. There's 3 animals in the house and lots of animal fur. This thing's from 2015, so it's not young, but I've been trying to squeeze all the life I can out of it, okay? Thanks for watching. Have a great day.